9.2 complementary and supplementary angles. I can identify and evaluate complementary and supplementary angles.
Thank you, Claire. Can you guys do that?
Yeah.
A complementary angle would be two or more angles that measure
90 degrees.
Leah up here. A supplementary angle would be two or more angles that measure
90 degrees.
And then you got some examples in the vocab of both of those. What does this little fella here mean?
Measure.
So if it's before an angle sign, it means measure of that angle. Therefore, the measure of that angle ABD is 90 degrees. Okay. If you know that this measure or this angle is 90 degrees, and you now know that ABC is 52, can you solve for x?
Yes.
And your algebraic equation is right there. Yes, no?
Yes.
Because both of those angles should total what?
90 degrees.
The two angles that total 90 degrees are called what kind of angles?
Complementary.
Complementary. Hey, can more than two angles be complementary?
Yes.
We didn't talk about this, but are all three of those angles together complementary?
Yes.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
Moving on to number 4. This one was kind of funky in the fact that we just gave you what was in red here. We gave you that this measure was 35 degrees, or that angle is 35 degrees, and we told you that BXD was 90 degrees. From there, we were able to calculate everything else in blue. This angle is 35 degrees because why?
Vertical.
Vertical. You guys figured out that this angle is 55 degrees because why?
90 minus.
Well, I told you this one was 90, right?
Yes.
So if that one's 90, what's this one going to be?
90.
And if we know that this is 35, this one has to be,
55.
and same thing here, that has to be 55, not only because of vertical, but because it totals 90 on that other side, right?
Yes.
Okay, cool. And then we know that a straight line is how many degrees?
90.
180. And if these two angles together are 90, what's this one have to be?
90.
And so on and so forth, right? Excellent, excellent, excellent. And then the last one, number 5. We have a straight line, ABD. I gave you angle ABC at 4x plus 40. I gave you angle CBD at 3x. I think it was Claire Wood that said, well, Mr. Pottinger, simply add this angle, 4x plus 40. But see where I got that from? 4x plus 40 plus this angle, 3x, and set it equal to 180 because a straight angle is what?
180 degrees.
What'd you guys do first?
We combine.
You combine like terms. So that'd be like the coding, right?
Yes.
So 4x and 3x combined to 7x. And then we just solved algebraically because our goal is to always get the variable
Alone.
And once we figured out x was 20 degrees, we just went and plugged in 20 for x and 20 for x. Questions, comments?